Hello students, how are you? Hope that you are enjoying your time. I am here today again to teach you how to write graph and chart. You can see that in this way the question is given. The graph shows the number of internet users from the year 2013 to 2007. At first you have to focus on the 5 points here. Introductory sentence, main trend, data presentation, analysis and conclusion. Introductory sentence. How will we write introductory sentence? We will write from the question. Such as the graph shows the number of internet users from the year 2013 to 2017 in Bangladesh or in other country. Okay, I have given introductory. Main trend, in which way the information is going on. Such as I see that the percentage is rising year to year. That means I would like to say that it indicates gradual rise year to year. If you say that's a rise and fall, sometimes it is decreasing, sometimes it is increasing. At that time, you can say that it indicates rise and fall in different years. In this way, you have to give importance on main trend, or you have to write. Then data presentation. 3. We see that always write in a paragraph. If you think that sir I should make many paragraphs there, okay, no problem. But if you are asked in question to write in paragraph within or in 150, at that time you have to write in one paragraph. And if you ask me how many words to be written there, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 at best, you should not exceed that 150. If you ask me how many pages, 2 pages at best, 3 pages can be. Okay, it indicates, we see that in 2013 the percentage of users was the percentage, the plus noun, that means that will be singular, a number of people were in this way. Respectively, I don't like to mention here everything. Such as some students write in 2014 the rate became 15, in 2015 the rate reached 20. In this way I cannot write in detail, but I would like to write here respectively in 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017 the percentage reached to 15, 20, 28 and 40. Okay, in slightest way I have mentioned the data, and covering this data I would like to analyze now. Analyze, how can it be? Generally the percentage is increasing. We see that percentage is increasing year to year, but it seems that the increase is a little bit slow. In this modern or technological era, that should be increase faster. In analysis, you are absolutely free, dear. You are absolutely free. No matter what's going on here, actually language test is going on. So you can write in your own way, covering the information according to the topic. You are absolutely free. Okay, you can write many things more, and the government and other agencies should take proper steps to increase internet users here. If it is possible, we hope if it is possible, the rate will increase. In this way, just analyze. At the end, concluding sentence or conclusion must be always in positive, in the positive. Such as at the end we can say that the rate is increasing but slow. We hope that the rate will reach the standard level at one stage, or satisfactory level at one stage. We are waiting to see that in this way. Just right. In graph writing, many students are confused enough, but I am always telling that you should not be afraid of that. Nobody is coming to punish you here. Teachers will be very much happy to see your creativity, in which way you are writing. Language test is going on, I am repeating it again. So you are absolutely free. Maintaining these 5 points. Introductory sentence coming from question. Maintain, actually it indicates, or what is actually the graph shows, in this way. Then data presentation in slightest way. You should not write all data there. Then analyze, covering the data or information. And at the end, conclusion. I think that you have learned well, you have understood well. If you have any question, just write on comment box. I am always ready to help you, dear. I am here to help you sincerely. And subscribe my channel so that you can get notification always. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.